Dark forests, unexplained noises, unseen eyes watching from the shadows. Across countless encounters, explorers have stepped into the unknown, only to leave with more questions than answers. From eerie whispers in the night to terrifying brushes with the paranormal, these stories blur the line between myth and reality. But what if the legends are true? What if something is really out there, lurking just beyond our sight? Today, we dive into 3 chilling encounters that will make you question everything. Let's begin. April 22nd, 2024. Yasko, a YouTuber renowned for his fearless explorations, embarks on a chilling new adventure. Alongside his friend Chris, he ventures into a dense forest shrouded in ominous folklore, a place where whispers of satanic rituals and demonic activity have unsettled the locals for generations. The cold, biting wind howls through the trees, setting an eerie stage for the night ahead. At first, everything seems routine. They pitch the...
But that's one story of this place. But the creepiest one for me is the one...
You hear that whistle? It's clear as day.
Whistle?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. It was like...
Well, that's creepy because the next day I was going to tell you about, it's called the Weeping Children.
Their tent, ignite a campfire, and prepare dinner, the flames casting flickering shadows that dance ominously around them. As the night deepens, Yasko recounts the sinister legends tied to these woods, his words laced with an unsettling weight. A creeping sense of dread settles over them, though they have no idea just how terrifying the night is about to become.
Luther, is there more to the story?
Bro, I hate this. What's walking around?
My sleep is very important. What the hell is that? Whoa! What the?
Okay, dude. I don't know.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Maybe you shouldn't go alone here tonight.
Weird. Determined to uncover the truth behind the legends, they grab a spirit box and step into the darkness. But almost immediately, the woods seem to push back. Strange, unexplainable noises echo around them, growing louder, closer. The air thickens with an overwhelming sense of unease. Uneasy, they retreat to the relative safety.
Chris, what the fuck?
I think it might literally be time to like leave or just get in our tents and zip them for the night. I don't know which one, but...
Look at that. Right there in the middle. That's a light. That's not the moon, because the moon is right up there. It's behind the branches up there. That was almost level with us, moving from left to right. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to... Like, what's our next course of action? Like, I want to do this night vision thing right now. I do.
Of their campfire, but the feeling of being watched lingers, refusing to dissipate.
Nowhere. This is so freaky right now. Right when I'm trying to sleep. Okay, so the goal is to get some sleep. Some emphasis on.
The wind howls. Back at camp, Yasko scrolls through the photos he took earlier, and that's when he sees it. In the background,
his camera is suddenly pushed.
of one of the images, a faint beam of light pierces the darkness. A flashlight. Someone, or something, is out there with them. A chill runs down their spines. They retreat into their tent.
fuck up! Now I'm gonna go check. Fuck. The fuck was that? I had my boots on backwards. I'm scared. I don't know if it was footsteps I heard. I don't know what it was, but I think at one point in the night there was someone outside of my tent. And that's what's freaking me out. So, listen, I'm gonna stay up. And if anything, I'll show you anything else. If not, I'll see you guys at 3 o'clock with Chris. And we'll continue. Hopefully.
But sleep remains elusive. The wind howls outside, rattling the fabric, but exhaustion eventually claims Yasko until it... A sudden, forceful movement jolts him awake. His camera topples over as if knocked down by an unseen hand. His heart pounds as he sits up, every instinct screaming danger. He tries to calm himself, scrolling through his phone to distract himself.
Oh, bro, my fucking eyes. I'm so fucking scared right now, guys. I am so fucking scared. Please, please, please tell me you guys just heard that. Oh my fucking god. I'm literally crying right now.
As Yasko moves through the woods, the noises grow louder. It feels as if something is following him, watching his every move. Could it be the unseen figure that makes that whistling sound earlier?
Whew. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Stick scared the shit out of me. Oh, shit. Okay, that was not a stick. What the fuck was that? Hello? Shh, 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 shh. Listen, listen. Something's moving. Guys. Okay, now I'm actually in fear.
Angel hierarchy.
I completely forgot that was on and I almost shit myself. Something's here. Something is here. Chris?
I'm really here.
Chris, is that you? Bro, we're like maybe half a... Chris, what are you doing out here? This is a flashlight moment. Oh. Chris, what are you doing out here? Chris, buddy, what are you doing out here? Wait. No. We're in the opposite direction. This isn't fucking Chris. This isn't fucking Chris. This... Ah! Fuck this! Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, shit. Oh, where am I fucking flying? I can't... What the fuck is that? Oh my fucking god. Oh, shit. Hold on.
his racing thoughts. But then, a sound. A sharp, eerie whistle just outside the tent. Yasko's breath catches. Gathering what courage he has left, he steps outside into the cold, inky blackness, determined to confront whatever lurks in the shadows. As he ventures deeper into the woods, the sounds intensify. Footsteps, rustling. Something is following him, its presence pressing in around him. Could it be the figure behind the whistle? Panic seizes him, and he bolts back toward the camp. Bursting through the trees, he finds Chris still in the tent, oblivious to what just happened. But there's no time to explain. They need to leave. Now frantically, they pack their gear, their every move weighed down by the undeniable feeling of unseen eyes watching their every step. As they flee the forest, the darkness seems almost alive, pressing against them, warning them never to return. But the question lingers. What was really out there that night? And who, or what, was whistling outside their tent? We may never know. Let's move to our next encounter. Today we follow Bear, a YouTuber famed for his adrenaline-pumping stealth camping expeditions, as he embarks on a journey deep into the Appalachian Mountains. But this time, it's not just an ordinary camping trip. Tonight, Bear is on a mission to uncover the truth behind the legend of Bigfoot.
Anyway, for this adventure, we are in the Appalachian Mountains in search for the oh-so-elusive Bigfoot. Tonight, we're staying in an RV, and we got it parked in a very pretty... What would you call this?
We're boondocking. There's no electric, no water, no nothing.
Boondocking.
We're in the middle of, like, pretty much nowhere.
No, we're in the middle of nowhere, but we're able to park the RV, and there's a little fire spot for us. Other than that, we're surrounded by mountains, woods, and hopefully some Bigfoot.
Joining him,
Accompanying him is Doug, a fellow explorer from the channel Fear Fanatics. Together, they step into the wilderness unaware that this night will leave them shaken to their core. The forest is eerily silent at first, but
In the bushes?
Look, some just moved over there.
That's a game trail for sure.
That's a big trail. Look at that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Like, even if it's not Bigfoot, there's like, that's a big trail, bro.
Wow. This is right where I just heard something too. It was up. It was up this way though.
You gonna go on the trail?
Just for a second, maybe.
Go ahead, I'm right behind you.
as they venture deeper, strange noises begin to echo through the trees. Unfamiliar sounds.
Oh!
Oh shit, what the freak was that, bro? Did you hear that?
Whew. What was that?
Oh, I don't know. It's something in that tree. I don't know what
That
it was.
scared the crap
I
out of
guess it
me.
could have been a bird or something.
Could it be an angry coon?
It could have been an owl. Oh shit. What the freak is that, bro?
I don't know.
It doesn't sound like a bird. I don't know what that is, you know? You think you see something and then it's just a tree?
You know, isn't it like usually one of the last...
Bro.
I know you... Holy smokes, man. Hold on. What the heck? It was like a...
I saw something go flying through there, dude.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you got it on camera?
I don't know if I...
Man, I hope that sound... I hope they could hear that. That sucker
Dude,
was
there's
loud.
smoke in the woods, bro. Hold on. Thought I could still see the leaves shaking.
What?
Something was down there, bro. Something threw something.
Strange.
Low, guttural, and unsettling. They press on, their curiosity outweighing their fear, and attempt Bigfoot calls, hoping for a response. And then, a reply. A sudden, violent impact shakes a near...
You should try another Bigfoot call.
Yeah.
You think?
You want me to?
It could be...
I'll do it. I don't care.
It could be a stupid idea or a good idea.
I'll do it.
All right. Give it your all.
Do you want me to do like a really loud one?
Yeah. Call them from all over the mountains.
Oh, yeah. All right. Here we go.
That was pretty good. That was good. That's probably what they do.
They make noises like that, right?
I always did it a little different, but I like that. I think oh, man, I just heard something fall through there. Hey. Shh. Go. Was that a rock? What was that? Ow, my face. Damn it. Go, man, don't stop. Man, it's something's throwing something. Go.
Something.
Nearby tree. Something has thrown an object with force, landing dangerously close to Bear. A wave of panic surges through them as the realization sinks in. They have attracted something.
Quiet listening. I haven't heard nothing. Probably, shh. I swear I just heard like a twitch. Grab the light. Turn your light off. This man
Yeah, let's go.
Without hesitation, they turn and run, desperate to put distance between themselves and whatever lurks in the darkness. But the terror isn't over. The noises return, louder and closer than before.
Appalachian Mountains in search of Bigfoot, and man, I think
Heavy footsteps crunch through the underbrush, gaining on them. They sprint through the night, breath ragged, hearts pounding. Finally, they reach their van, diving inside and locking the doors. Sitting in the suffocating silence, they struggle to process what just happened. What did they encounter that night? Was it truly Bigfoot? Or was something else, something far more terrifying, hunting them in the shadows? Perhaps we will never know. December 28th, 2023. A frigid winter night. Yasko, alongside his friends Benjamin and Chris, embarks on an investigation into one of America's most haunted forests, the infamous Erie Woods. But fate has other plans. What was meant to be a brief exploration takes a drastic turn when their car becomes trapped on ice, stranding them deep in the wilderness. With no way to leave, they set up camp, resigning themselves to an unplanned overnight stay. As darkness consumes the forest, the unease begins. Unsettling noises ripple through the trees, whisper.
Tonight we're going to be camping in here. And tonight has been an absolute disaster, let me tell you. We weren't planning on camping tonight. We were actually just coming to investigate this forest that has a lot of crazy folklore attached to it. We spoke to some of the locals in town earlier and they were telling us some horrifying stories. We get here, unfortunately my car gets stuck. So one thing you may notice is that there's a second tent. In the car right there is my friend Chris. He's actually warming up right now because it's absolutely freezing. It's all ice right there. My car cannot move. We're in the middle of two hills. There's a hill right there and a hill in the opposite direction that we came from. Only problem is we're in the middle like this and both hills are like this. I can't get enough momentum in my Honda Civic to get up out of here. That branch break. Now, here's the thing. In the process of us setting up the tents, we've heard what sounds like agonizing screams coming from the forest. We heard the voices. We heard numerous things. It's absolutely freaky out here. So just get ready because when in Rome, right?
Of movement, barely audible footsteps in the snow. Hoping to make contact with the paranormal, they power up the spirit box. Yasko and Chris decide to explore, leaving Benjamin alone at the camp. But soon...
Very strange and creepy responses. Hello? Who's out there? Okay. I just don't...
That was like literally right behind you.
Dude, I know. I just don't really want to look. It freaks me out. I don't know. It's very far-fetched to think that someone's out here in this cold weather. But at the end of the day, we're out here in this cold weather.
In this cold weather. We don't have a choice.
When he hears it, footsteps. Slow, deliberate, approaching. At first, he dismisses it as a trick of the mind, but the...
This is his humble abode. He sleeps on that mat. It's pretty cool. What the hell is that? I feel like I just heard a whistle, which was kind of weird. Hello? Okay. I don't know if that's an animal. Or if that's, What the f- Holy sh- What was that? I keep on hearing shit from over there, man. Hello? I'm sorry, I keep on hearing weird shit from over here. Maybe it's just the wind. But, God, I gotta get the story out. Holy crap. So anyway. I am hearing, it just sounded like something right up. Okay, what the f was that? Jesus! Holy f... Hello? the fuck? What the bro?
Foot noises grow louder, closing in. Fear grips him. He bolts from the campsite, desperately searching for Yasko and Chris. But instead of finding them, he stumbles upon...
At all. It is, it's like nudging a little bit, but it's like...
The night drags on.
Something even worse. A low, guttural noise deep within the woods. He doesn't dare investigate. Instead, he...
I really don't like this place, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
The noises grow louder.
He sprints back to the car, locking himself inside. Then, a sound. The unmistakable click of the door handle being tested.
So the footsteps go this way into this weird hole thing. Is that like a? It's like a trail. Hello? Okay. Whatever you... I'm good. Fuck! Ah! Oh. I have no idea what the that was, but I think I'm gonna head back to the car now.
Benjamin holds his breath. He looks around. No one is there. Minutes stretch into what feels like hours. Summoning his courage, he steps outside.
And we're stuck here. And if Jazz and Chris don't come back, not only am I worried about what's happening to them, but I'm alone out here. At least they kind of got each other at that point, right? I hope they're okay. I hope they get back here soon.
But the oppressive silence is short-lived. A distant scream rips through the night, eerily identical to one he heard earlier. Then...
No, what the bro? What the Stop! Someone's trying to fucking get into the car. Hold on. There's no one out there. Oh, there's no one out there. Wait, no, there still could be someone out there. Holy shit, hold on.
Then, a loud knock on the car shatters the quiet. Panic sets in. They try to drive away, but the car remains stuck. Helpless, they endure the longest night of their lives, waiting for dawn to break. As the first light of morning touches the trees, they finally manage to call for help. Exhausted and shaken,
I looked all around the car. I mean, within reason. I guess someone could duck around the car and then run into the woods. I guess. But,
they leave the haunted woods behind. But the question lingers. What was stalking them that night? And was it ever really gone?
Yo, what are you doing? Stop.
Oh, it's Ben. Ben!
Shit. Ben, are you alright?
Why are you here?
I don't know.
Yo, you alright?
Ben, what are you doing? We're just trying
Sorry,
to
bro. What's going on?
figure out what's going on.
It sounded like someone hit the car, was like slapping
What?
the car door, or like trying to grab the door handle
Same.
too. And then I looked out and there wasn't anyone there.
I mean, what do you
And I had that recorded.
chalk that up to be, though?
I don't know. Okay, so
I was thinking a person. I didn't see them, but that doesn't mean jack shit. Like they could have ducked,
that is
got
true.
away.
Finally, the group reunites and heads back to the campsite, but safety is far from guaranteed. Strange noises continue to echo through the forest, forcing them to retreat to the car. Hours pass, and Yasko remains awake, feeling a constant presence watching them.
Guys?
A loud scream coming from far in the woods. It sounded identical to the scream Ben heard earlier in the exploration. Yasko tries to brush it off, but then this happens.
Oh, what the fuck was that, bro?
Hold on. Somebody hit the fucking car.
What was that?
Oh, don't go. What are you doing?
Bro, what are you
fuck's out
doing,
here,
bro? Dude, stay in the car.
No, really, get back in.
Okay.
Get in the car, bro.
Shit.
What the hell was that?
Bro, something... Fuck, man.
I'm living a fucking nightmare right now, dude. This is so stupid. Oh fuck, I didn't mean to do that, I'm sorry.
A loud knock on the car jolts them awake. Someone, or something, is out there. They try to drive away, but the car remains stuck.
Jeez, literally not moving. We're just spinning. Just spinning on ice.
Should try and reverse. Bro, what am I like? I'm stuck. That's the thing.
not
Like,
moving.
the car's not even moving at all.
On, filled with tension, until dawn finally breaks.
Some mysteries may never be solved. That's all for today. Now let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Take care. See you in the next video.